Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. Now, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope everybody had a great week. And thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. And today I have got another unbagging from Amazon. And again, it is one that has been folded down the middle and stuck in plastic like so. And I'm not real sure how I feel about this because, for one, it leaves a crease right in the middle. But when they do fold them up and stick them in the plastic, then you have several creases. So I don't know. I think I sort of kind of like this. But anyway, let's get into the unbagging. All right, which way is this open? Okay, so as you can see, it is mushrooms. And it is a 30 by 40. All right. Now, this is how they do their drills. I've had I think actually I've had two canvases that came folded like this, and they must be from the same company because their drills came in two different packs with this sticker holding them together like this. So it's probably from the same company. All right. So let's look at the toolkit first. Now, I only gave $4.99 for this canvas, and I didn't think that was too bad. I'm trying to keep all my Amazon canvases under $10 because not everybody can afford the large company canvases, and I just want to show that, there's options out there. So, with this canvas, you get a few baggies. You get a pink pen, and it looks like a 3 or 2 placer. I don't ever know what this one is. So anyway, but you do get a little multi-placer with it. You get a square of wax. You get a squishy for your pen. And you get the little green boat. Alright, so not bad toolkit. It does have a little bit of extra stuff. So I call this just a step up from your average toolkit. So it's not a bad one. Alright, so let's look at these drills. Now, on the bags themselves, there are no DMC numbers. But it is on the canvas. So we're good. Alright, I'm going to just pull both of these out. Maybe. Alright, I'm on, as they say, I am on the struggle bus, apparently. Sorry about all the noise. But that's what happens when you unbag these things. Alright, so let's look at these colors. Alright, we have got some browns, some orange, and some very pale green. Some more oranges and browns. We've got some green. And it is amazing to me that this green right here. In the camera, it looks like a bright green, but I'm sitting here looking at it for real life, I guess you could say, and it looks like a dirty, dull green. So it's just weird how the colors change in the camera. But yeah, all of those are greens. And then we've got some more browns and some greens and some orange. More browns. And I guess that's kind of a green. And whoops. Some more reddish some gray, brown, a blue, some greens and browns, orange, more greens, and some browns, a blue, and another green. So, they don't look bad. I don't see any static. They don't look bad at all. So, I'm just going to kind of fold these up and set them off to the side because I've got a mess going on over here apparently. Alright, so, again, 30 by 40. The canvas number is up at the top. It's also on the bags of drills. It is got 30 colors, and there are DMC numbers, and it looks like everything is going to be numbers and letters. So, there's the thumbnail, if y'all can see it, maybe. Okay, anyway, so you've got a legend on the top left, and you have one on the bottom right. And let's see, it is very sticky. And these are, as you've seen, round drills. I forget to tell y'all whether they're round or square sometimes. It's like so much info and then not a lot of info. So, a whole heck of a lot of confetti. Now, looking at this through my phone, I am looking at like over in here. That may be hard to see without a light pad. So again, may have to have a light pad for this one, so I can sort of see where there could be a few spots. I mean, by no means is it a perfect canvas, but it looks like there may be a few spots that might be hard to read. But for overall, it doesn't look too horrible. But it is like major, major, major confetti heavy. Look at all that. Woo! If you're somebody who likes confetti canvases, here's one for you. It sort of kind of looks like pixelated. So, alright, what do y'all think about this one? I think it's a cute image. Now, I'm going to say this, and it's going to sound stupid. This isn't one that I would normally pick out. Although I did, and I picked it out and I bought it. But the reason I bought it was I thought it was a pretty good deal because it was only $4.99. So this would be a good one that could possibly, you know, maybe be, you could gift it to somebody if you weren't totally into this image. So, yeah. So what do y'all think about this one? I don't think it was bad. 30 colors. It's a lot of colors for a 30 by 40. A lot of confetti. So, if you like confetti, here you go. So, y'all give me a comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this one. And until my next video, I hope all is well with everyone. And I hope everyone is liking these videos. And just leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think about it. And I'll see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.